Hello guys, I am Anirudh Kumar Yadav, fourth year mechanical engineering student of Chaibasa Engineering College 2016-20 batch. So basically today I am going to be discuss about my final year project of non-conventional energy sources and renewable sources. So basically we have got or decided to make a project on speed brake power generator. My are team members are myself Anirudh Kumar Yadav with along with Hemant Kumar Mahato, Ajay Munda, Ajay Hembram and Devdas Tudu under the mentorship of Samrat Mandal sir. I would like to thank him for his advice and mentorship and guidelines in this project. So here we can see it's our 3D view of our project. So it's you can see this is our base. It's shock absorber. This is a foundation of our prototype, and here you can see we have attached a flywheel in a shaft in which we have attached a rake pinion system in this base and this shaft, and also a flywheel and a disc. So in the next picture we can see the front view of our prototype so that we can gain how it works. Here you can see the front view of our system. It's our base. It is our base attached with shock absorber. It's our rank and pinion system. It's a flywheel and a shaft supported by bearings, and here there is another gear system, or you may say a disc, through which we will transmit power to a dynamo through belt transmission system, and it's our generator. So when the vehicle will enter through this base, we will install in a highway. So when any vehicle will ride through this base, due to the weight of the vehicle, our system will have downward motion or downward displacement. Okay, and the energy will be stored in spring. And in the next step, due to the downward motion of this rake, we will get a rotation in this pinion, here in this pinion, and this pinion is attached in a shaft, so this shaft will also get rotary motion. And we know that the power transmission is not continuous, so we will apply a flywheel here so that we can get regular amount of inertia to drive this system. And here a disc is attached in this shaft, and which will transmit power through belt and transmission system to this dynamo. Hence we will get a movement through this shaft, through this base to rake pinion system, pinion to our flywheel and this disc, and due to this rotary motion of shaft, we have attached belt transmission system to this disc and generator, so we can get a movement in generator and we can generate electricity. So basically what I am trying to say, the more the traffic in the highway, the more the amount of electricity we will get. So it has a wide scope of application and need lot of innovation in this area, so that we can utilize our highway as source of electricity generator. It may capable of generate the electricity in a such amount so that it can light our highway every time, and it is totally pollution free and a renewable energy source, due to which it may find a lot of application in our highways, so that we can get lot of pollution free energy in system. And so I think I am capable to give you information about my project. So next, this is how our project or prototype will work. Here we can see this is rake and pinion system, and you can see a base of spring, and it's a disc. Here we will attach disc and system, and here through this belt and transmission system we will attach a dynamo, so that we can get regular power of electricity and we will get a renewable energy source. Thank you for watching this video, and I would like to thank our mentors, college, and our members, especially members, and thank you.